Welcome to WCrypto.
Hello, my friends. Welcome back to WCrypto. Just like 2 days ago, right after yesterday's video was posted, price action moved steadily upward, passing the resistance line near 114,700, and then moving beyond the next horizontal level at 115,800, where a significant portion of leveraged positions had been placed. In the past 24 hours, a total of 388.09 million was cleared from the market, with roughly 301.39 million coming from those positioned against the rise. This upward move came in two main waves. First, a gain of about 2.22% to 116,800, followed by a climb from yesterday's low to today's peak of nearly 3% at 117,600. Price is now consolidating after this sharp rise, currently resting on a descending trend line that previously acted as resistance in a channel forming since mid-July. Historically, in an overall rising market, such channels often resolve to the upside. A move through this line, followed by a retest and sustained push higher, would align with that tendency. Looking at the 3-day heat map for positioning, yesterday's signals pointed clearly upward, but today we see a more balanced picture, with an area of interest above at 118,100 and another notable zone below at 112,000. On the one-week view, the regions around 116,000 and 117,000 have been cleared, with a band of interest stretching from 117,600 up to 120,000. This raises the question of whether more positioning needs to build above current levels before larger players move in that direction. Turning to ETF flows, today brought another positive day with 120.8 million in net inflows. Most participants across major providers added to positions, while figures from one large manager have not yet been released. In related industry news, new U.S. regulatory developments have opened the door for certain alternative assets to be included in specific retirement account structures. I will continue updating you daily. Join the community Discord for real-time chart commentary. Click the like button if you found this video informative, and subscribe with all notifications on to stay updated. And see you in the next one.